guys, it's Expert Gamer here, and today we're gonna be pranking my friend Alexis, and I hope you subscribe. Peace. We're gonna be doing this video.
Yeah. Sleep well on the pillow. Where's he go? So we're telling him to sleep well on the pillow. So yeah, come on. We're gonna. Okay, so.
Oh yeah. Oh damn, the lights here. Sorry. So.
Okay, so we got water. Okay, so. Okay, now just put it like this, like on it.
Yeah, I got it.
Like right there, just leave it like. You got your hand on it. Okay, you guys ready?
Oh my god. Oh my god, he's mad. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Chill.
That's it. Chill. Okay, I hit him really hard, but it didn't seem it. You didn't hear it because I had soap and water on my hand. So, did you like the prank?
No.
Well, we did, so